Welcome back to the OpenAI Codex CLI course. On its own, Codex works with your files, but real work touches databases, browsers, and issue trackers too. In Lesson 15, the MCP command and its shell sibling connect Codex to those outside systems through the Model Context Protocol, a standard way to give the agent new tools. Let's list what's configured and wire up a server. Let's see which tools Codex already has. Then add a new one from the shell. Inside the session, we run the MCP command to list the Model Context Protocol tools configured right now. It shows each server and the tools it exposes, so we can see at a glance what external systems Codex is currently able to reach. We want more detail, so we add the word verbose. Now the listing expands to show each server's transport, its status, and the individual tools underneath, which is exactly what we need when a server isn't behaving and we're trying to figure out why. MCP is what makes this extensible. Servers give Codex access to outside systems, a database, a browser, an issue tracker, all through one standard protocol. Instead of bespoke integrations, every tool speaks the same language to the agent. Now we drop to the shell to manage servers. The Codex MCP command handles the lifecycle, letting us list configured servers, add a new one, remove ones we no longer need, and authenticate against a server that requires credentials. Here we add a server. We register it by name with Codex MCP, and once it's configured, its tools become available inside the session, so the next time we ask Codex to touch that system, it already knows how. One more trick worth knowing. The Codex MCP server command runs Codex itself as an MCP server, so other agents can consume it as a tool. Codex is both a client that uses MCP tools and a tool other agents can call. Here's what to keep. The MCP command lists the Model Context Protocol tools for the session. Add verbose for details. MCP servers connect Codex to outside systems, databases, browsers, and issue trackers through one protocol. From the shell, Codex MCP lists, adds, removes, and authenticates servers for the agent. You'll find the full Codex CLI course over at Standarity.com. And up next in Lesson 16, we package expertise as reusable skills.